Stop showing shoppers options they do not need. With WowAddons Conditional Logic, your product page adapts instantly based on customer choices. Because when customers see cluttered forms like this, they hesitate, get confused, and sometimes leave without buying. Instead, you can create a guided buying flow that only shows relevant options. For example, let's say you sell industrial water pumps. A homeowner and a contractor should not see the same fields. Contractors may need to upload a compliance document. Regular homeowners do not. So instead of showing the upload field to everyone, we will display it only when the customer selects contractor. Here's how. Go to your WowAddons option set for this product and select the field you want to control. Then click the Conditional Logic tab. Here, first toggle on the conditional logic. Then choose Show this field if any of these rules match. Next, you have to build the condition. Start by selecting the trigger field. After that, choose the comparison parameter. And finally, select the option value that should reveal this field. Before checking in on the front end, save the changes. Now let's refresh the product page. Here, when I select homeowner, the upload field stays hidden. But when I choose contractor, there it is. A simple, clean, and relevant upload field for compliance documents. You can use the same logic for other personalized products and countless other product flows with WowAddons.